Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at how you can notarize an affidavit for an application of marriage license. You're going to have two signers for this, and so let's go into this and see how we can help this couple fill this out properly. So, of course, one of the most important things is making sure that there are no blanks where there's supposed to be information. And so we see that the signers who are Tessa and Connor have filled this out a lot, but if we look closely, there is some information missing. So, for example, here we're supposed to have a social security number. For Connor, there's nothing here. If we want, we can ask Connor to fill that out by pressing the hotkey of 8. And we're going to put SSN for Connor. And we're going to put that right here so Connor can put their social security number. And that looks good. Now let's look at Tessa's portion here. And it's filled out. Social security number is there. Oh, but Tessa didn't put what their status is. And so we want to make sure we ask Tessa which one of these applies. And I can put that information. Tessa happens to be widowed. So let's put a 3 for a check and just put that right here. Okay, so this is looking very good. So, of course, we want to give the oath to both Connor and Tessa, making sure that they understand the contents of this document, that it's filled out correctly to the best of their knowledge of belief. And after they have stated in the affirmative that these things are true, we can go ahead and start signing. So let's put Connor's signature first. Let's drop an S here. And we can take our signature box and place it here for Connor. And we want to put our name here. So I'm going to put a 1 for my name, put it here, and also put an S for my signature. I'm going to adopt this signature. Put that here. Subscribed and sworn to before me on this. I'm going to put a text box for 6th. Another text box for November. And another text box for 2025. And I want to make sure to drop my notary seal for Connors here. And then we're going to do the same for Tessa. And so I'm going to put a S here and choose Tessa's name. Put that here. I'm going to press a 1 for my typed name. Put that here. Another S for my adopted signature. I'm going to put a T and I'm going to put 6th, the 6th day. Another T for November. Another T for 2025. And I'm going to drag and drop my notary seal this time and put it here. Okay, and this information is not for me. This is for the department where they are submitting it. So before I complete the session, I'm going to ask Connor and Tessa if this is correct, if everything looks good to them, and then I can go ahead and complete the session. So I hope this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.